Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today we are going to be opening my latest month of Fright Loot Crate. And, ow, I just hit myself in the face. I have canceled several of my subscription boxes, so we're going to be ending the subscription box series soon. And then I'm going to do a comparison of all the subscription boxes that I've bought and kind of give you a all-in-all honest review of several of them all together at once. So with that being said, let's get started on the Loot Crate Fright. Okay, as a reminder, this box is really light this month, so I'm curious what's in it. I pay for all of my subscription boxes out of pocket. Nobody gives me anything for free. I have no codes. I get no sponsorship. But if anybody wants to sponsor me, please do. All my social media is linked down below. But Loot Crate Fright is about $39.99 a month, I believe it is. It is a bi-monthly subscription, and it is Fright. So you are getting things from the horror genre, and like spooky movies kind of thing. So far I've gotten stuff from some like Texas Chainsaw Massacre, from A Clockwork Orange. I've gotten stuff from Aliens, American Psycho. So I'm curious to see what is in this month. It is light, like doesn't feel heavy. So I'm curious what is in store. So I will show you first, as long as I can get it open. The problem is I never open these correctly. Okay. See, and here's the Fright right there. There we go. Now you're seeing it before me, so let's check it out. Okay, first thing I see, Mr. Cramp. Is it Krampus? Monster Season, Alex Pardes. It says Mr. Cramp, a middle school geology teacher, was collecting rocks on an active volcano when an explosion occurred, knocking him unconscious. When he came to, a creature he could only describe as the fabled Krampus was standing over him. Without warning, it bit Mr. Cramp and fled. Back at home, Mr. Cramp felt sick. He was physically changing too, but nothing compared to the craving and the immense hunger he felt. He tried to subside the hunger, but after eating almost everything in sight, nothing helped. He craved something more. There's a whole story on the back, but then it ends with behave kiddos or beware. So if this is Krampus, I'm a big Krampus fan. I love all the horrible ABC genre movies of Krampus. I am German by heritage, so I think it's kind of cool that that's a story that we have, a little fable. So it says Mr. Cramp. Let me try to hold it a little closer for you. Monster Season. Jesus, I am like the biggest klutz. Oh, this is cute. It's a little figurine. It's plastic. Can you guys see it? And he's got a little sack where he keeps his children off to the side. And it's got a little stand that it came with after I'm just gonna throw all that over there. After I destroyed the box. I am seriously like one of the klutziest individuals that you'll ever meet or know. Like when I drop stuff, it's for real. So it comes with a little stand with little footies on it. And then you put Krampus on there. So he'll go next to my Texas Chainsaw Massacre figurine, because I will keep him. I do enjoy me some Krampus. So now there's his little stand, and it says Alex Pardes Monster Season. So he's kind of heavy for a figurine. He doesn't move. His arms don't move or anything like that. He's just a still figurine. No action, I guess you would call it. But there's my little Krampus. First and foremost, very fitting for the season because we are in December and Christmas. I was about to say Halloween. Christmas is coming up soon. Just your little thank you card that they always give you. Next, I've got oh, I don't know what this is. It's a keychain, but I don't know what it's from. It looks like it could be from a bunch of different things. It looks like, oh God. Okay, so it's a wolf. It's a creature's hoof. It could be a Krampus. It's got like Gaelic or Norse writing around the top, and then it's got a pentagram on the bottom. So it could be from Sabrina the Teenage Witch. It could be from this other movie that I watched where they went on a trip in honor of their friend who died in the woods, and there was a creature in like the Norwegian woods. It could be from that. It doesn't say, so I'm not really sure. And then in here we have a little black satchel. I don't know. It sounds metal. Let's see what's inside. I don't know what it is or what the creature is. Can anybody tell me in the comments below what this creature is? It looks like a demogorg or something like that. I don't know. It's not a keychain, but on the back all it says is made in China, so I don't know. Maybe if I look it up. Oh, want to know more info about the gear you just unboxed? Learn about what's in your crate at Loot Crate, my Fright Loot. We're going to look it up because I don't know what that's from. So just bear with me while I pull up the screen. And then the next thing and the last thing that's in here looks like a scarf. So let's open this up. So it says Loot Fright, and more like Norwegian characters it looks like to me, and it's a red and black scarf. It's not that long, but it's like a devil creature with a pitchfork. So yes, we're gonna look this up because I don't know what these are from. So just bear with me. Okay, so I'm on the Loot Crate site and they only have March, May, and July's Loot Fright boxes. So I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna do a Google search and see if I can find some more information about what's in here. Okay, well, my search has been very unprolific and I haven't found out crap. Besides, the theme is actually, the box is from November, but because they ship bi-monthly, that's why I'm getting it in December. The theme is roasting over an open fire. So it's all supposed to be like hellish, devilish things for Christmas. So I just don't know what these things are from, but I like them. Again, this reminds me of a movie that but I can't remember what it is. But that was my haul for this month. Of course, my favorite is little Mr. Krampus. I think he's adorable and cute. I wish he was posable and movable, but he's still super cute. I think that they were right on with the theme for the month. Getting to like kind of keychainy things, I think is kind of poo-poo. Like I kind of expect a little bit better. This is the first month that I don't think the value was that great, that I paid for everything. Usually I think the value is worth it, but I think this month, because I got like 2 keychain kind of things, I don't think the value was that great this month. So I still have it planned for the next month. I'm not gotten to a point where I'm going to cancel my subscription, but I just want to make sure I'm getting what I like. And because it's bi-monthly, I don't feel as bad doing it, but I am going to give it another month and see how it goes. And plus, I don't want to keep doing subscription boxes forever. I also want to take a break and explore different things. So I am going to fulfill the next month, which would be, I guess, January technically. So I don't know if I'll get it in January or February, since it's bi-monthly. And their shipping has been all kinds of slow and everything, and that also has to do with the pandemic. So we'll see. I think it's cute. I'm not going to wear the scarf because I don't really wear scarves, but I think it's cool. I don't know who I would give it to as a gift at this point, but I'll keep my keychain and my little hellish looking creature, and I'll hang them up somewhere. And Krampus is going to sit next to Leatherface on my shelf. So that was this month's Loot Crate. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you're not following me on social media, everything will be linked down below. And while you're here, please be sure to hit that bell and notification icon so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.